Okay, so today we're going to be sharing, I'm going to be sharing how to create a listing, creating a coloring book page with your listing photo for like an open house project for little kids. And you just provide crayons and they could be, they could occupy them. Because I could have used this a couple weeks ago. So I had an open house when our property was staged and there's like little kids running around. And guess what? They sat on the makeshift bed. Boom, it collapsed. Because they just had like it was like a blow up mattress, right? And then has like a lattice underneath for the support. As soon as you put some weight on there, it went. It did twice. After that, we just kind of left it on the floor. Anyway, so that would have been a good thing to have to kind of keep those, those toddlers occupied. So that, and then also with the same photo, get this, because I've paid people for like a closing gift for your sellers, when they're, especially someone that, that's their family home, they raise their kids there, it's very sentimental. And because I've done it in the past when I had hired someone to kind of create like a watercolor of their house and then frame it and send, like a thank you gift. Anyway, now I can get the ChatGPT to do it for free. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to be sharing today. Okay, let me share my screen. So we're at session. So this is what we're going to be creating. Look at this. Like a coloring book. And then next this is like the watercolor. So you just go to ChatGPT. Oh my God, look at it. I use this photo and used a prompt. Then he did really really fine, like really nice, too fine for that would be, it would just be too hard for kids to color that. So what I did is, then here's the watercolor. And what I did is I asked to make it more kid friendly, and this is what what it drew. So basically this prompt would be, so if you want to start from scratch, let's bring in a new photo. Let's see. I need to. On, let's see, photos. Okay, so we'll pick a different one. Let's pick this one. I need to go in there. So let me copy. Oh, okay. Okay. So here's a photo. Say you're listing photo, and this is what I used, the prompt to use. And basically using this listing photo, create an outline of the property for a coloring book, make it kid friendly. And I don't know, it's already doing something. I don't know if he was listening to, does ChatGPT listen to me now? Listen to you? It's doing something.
Sometimes on accident when I click the mic
Oh,
there. I've done it.
oh, maybe it's already doing it automatically. Hang on. Okay, let's take it a little while. Nope, I don't know what it's doing. Uh, I think because I copied and paste and it just kind of trying to recreate anyway. So, because of the outline things, okay, you just recreate it. So here's the other prompt. So using this listing photo, create an outline of the property for a coloring book, make it kid friendly. Okay.
Heading to do just normal Monday errands.
Yeah. Get your pills.
It's our punk buzz.
You know what? It took, anyway. So anyway. So there he goes. It's pretty cool. So that's one way. The reason why they put that in there, because it's I should have started from a brand new ChatGPT page, but it got this from my other because I asked him to help with a title for the page. So wait, so here it is. It's all you do, and then you download it. You download that, then you bring it into Canva. And next prompt is I just wrote, I think now make it the listing photo into watercolor print. You get it without the title. Gotta take that out.
This is so cute. I'm about to head to a listing and you could add like, you could even do pictures of the inside of the house, make it like a little mini book, like with your logo
Yes. Oh,
and
like a coloring
stuff,
book. Yeah, like a coloring.
right?
You could do actual coloring book if you wanted to.
Yes,
Yeah.
and like a little bag so the kids could take
Yes.
it and take the crayons or what. It's so cute.
Yeah. And then especially with this, also, like I said, I paid um, you know, a local artist, to do a watercolor of the
Mm-hmm.
house, but now this is so free. It's not like, it doesn't, it's not acrylic or it's not like true watercolor print, but still it looks realistic. And then
You could get it printed on some good paper, just as like a
exactly.
mini little keepsake or something.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll put it in a frame. I'll bring it up into to Canva and I'll put their address on there. Because when you ask Canva to like write something, they don't always come out right.
Mhm.
So look at that. It's amazing.
It's
Look at that.
beautiful.
Suckle. Yeah. So and then you just download it. Download it here, download it. And then you just go to Canva here, and then you could just create a new one. And now what I do is a flyer portrait. Oh, you could do whatever. If you want a landscape, you can make it landscape. This is how I did it. I did a portrait. Um, and then you just bring it in, upload these two. Yeah. And then here, whatever you want it to be, I would definitely, because this is what I wrote. Basically, this is what you do. Just bring it in. This is how I did it. So I wrote, 'cause I got this from, that I found on the Facebook. It says a place to laugh, a place to play, color our home in your own way. That would be the title. Then I put their address and my little logo and phone number. You know, so basically, and I put this little number, the 328 number on there. So this is it. This is a page. And in here's that I brought in that a watercolor print and then put their address here. And yeah, and then let me I'll show you. So this is how cute is that? And like Kelly was saying, that if you wanted to, you could create your own like coloring book of your listing, you know, with the front of the house or like the inside, some of the rooms or the backyard, whatever, and create like a coloring book if you wanted to. So this is what I want to share with you. And then let me show you. Let me stop sharing. How do I stop share?
Question.
Yes.
Do you think you can do real life photos like that?
Yes. If you just have to put that in, copy it into, you gotta get the image of it and then put it into ChatGPT. You could do any photos, any photos. So
Perfect.
this is what I did. Can you see this? Can you see? It's probably not. Like here's it. I framed it. This is going to be my thank you gift for my seller. And then here I got these little crayon packets from Amazon. I mean, I got 50 of these little ones for $15, $14.99. Yeah. Yeah, great. And then here's my printout of, I don't know if you can see it like that. Print out, put this here, you know. Yeah, keep them busy. Those toddlers, keep them off your stage bed, you know. So anyway, so I thought I wanted to share. I think it's a great idea. I mean, what a great gift, free, you know, with ChatGPT, and I'll, you know. So I think it's a great, thing to have just in case. I mean, you know, I don't know how often do you do open houses or if you have a lot of kids in your neighborhood, but you know, especially if it's a family home style home, you're going to have a lot of kids running through. So anyway, I thought it'd be a great, if you know, efficient, really inexpensive way to entertain the kids. Anyway, that's all I have. You guys have any questions?
Love it. So cute and creative.
Thank you. Thank you. I know when I saw it on, I was like, oh my God, I got to share this. It's so cute. So anyway, and then with the photo, you could do whatever you want. If you like, like watercolor, or do you like, maybe you should try some other medium of painting, you know, it doesn't have to be watercolor. I mean, I love watercolor painting. It's my favorite, but maybe you could ask for doing abstract or whatever it is. You could do all these different ways of creating those images. Okay. Well, that's all I have today to share. You guys have a great week and, you know, happy holiday week for Wendy, I guess. So anyway.
Great. Thanks, Betty.
All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Bye, Deanna. Bye, Debbie. Take care.